Next point is types of filtration. In that there are three types of filtration. First one is the surface filtration, second one is the depth filtration, and third is the cake filtration. Okay, so what is the first filtration? It is a screening action by which pores or holes of medium prevent the passage of solids. It means that it is a screening action, okay, by which pores or holes of medium prevent the passage of solid. In this, okay, the mechanism or straining and the impingement are responsible for surface filtration. Okay, in before lecture, okay, we discussed the mechanism of filtration. In that, the mechanism of filtration are of four types. Okay, first one is the straining, impingement, entanglement, and attractive forces. Okay, so in this surface or screen filtration, in that, okay, straining and impingement, these two types of mechanisms are responsible for the surface filtration. Okay, for this purpose plates with holes or woven sieves are used, and it is efficiency, okay, its efficiency is defined in terms of mean or maximum pore size. Okay, here this is a surface filtration. Okay, in that, okay, this is a filter medium and this is a solid cake, okay, formed after the filtration. Simple, the surface filtration, it is a straining. Okay, straining means example is tea. जे की आपण घरी टी प्रिपेअर केल्यानंतर सीवमधून पास करतोय, मग ते सीव डायरेक्टली त्या जे काही फ्लूइड आहे, जे काही टी आहे, त्याला इझिली पास करते, त्या फिल्टर मीडियामधून पास होतो ॲटोमॅटिकली, आणि जे काही टी पावडर आहे ते ॲक्युम्युलेट होते. ओके, दिस इज अ बेस्ट एक्झाम्पल. ओके, टी. ओके, टी filtration, it is a surface filtration, and in that, okay, in that the pores or holes of the medium size, which prevents the passage of solids. Okay, which prevents the passage of solids. Okay, this is the surface filtration. And next is the depth filtration. Okay, here in that, okay, in this process, okay, slurry penetrates to a point where the diameter of solid particles is greater than that of, okay, void spaces or tortuous void or channels. Okay, in that, okay, this is a depth filtration is, okay, in that the mechanism is entanglement. The mechanism is entanglement, and in this depth filtration, here, okay, here the solids are retained with a gradient density structure by physical restriction or by adsorption properties of the medium. Okay, here the solids are retained with a gradient density structure by physical restriction or by adsorption properties of the medium, and it is extensively used to remove of small amounts of contaminants from relatively large volumes of liquids, that is clarification. Okay, and it is extensively used for removing the small amount of contaminants. Okay, and here these are also used for the roughing or pre-filtering pharmaceutical solutions. Example is here, this example is ceramic filters and also sintered filters. Okay, sintered filters are available in our laboratory. Okay, this is a depth filtration. It is a depth filtration in that the slurry penetrates to a point where the diameter of solid particles is greater than the capillary channels, okay, or wide spaces, which is called as a depth filtration. Okay, then next point is, okay, next type is the cake filtration. Okay, next is the cake filtration. In that a filter consists of here the filter consists of a coarse woven cloth, okay, through which the filtration is occurs. In that, okay, the concentrated suspension of rigid particles is passed so that they, okay, so that they bridge the holes and form a cake, so that they bridge the holes and forms a cake, which is called as a cake filtration. Okay, and the cloth may be ineffective when holes are lightly Okay, holes are likely to be much larger than the particles to be removed. Okay, therefore the cloth is presented with a concentrated suspension of rigid particles that bridge the holes and form a cake. Okay, simple in cake filtration, the formation of cake, okay, is occurs, and the particles will be held back while a liquid passes through the small through the small interstices. Example is filter cake made from diatomite, made from diatomite, that is 100 micrometer, okay, which is in a 100 micrometer. And here the cake can be removed, okay, cake can be removed by sub-micrometer colloidal particles with high efficiency, it is all about the cake filtration. Okay, next point is here difference between surface and depth filtration. Okay, surface and depth filtration. Here first difference is the size of the particles retained is slightly higher than the, okay, pore size, and in this depth filtration the size of particles retained is much smaller than the mean pore size of medium. This is the major difference. Okay, and in surface filtration the mechanical strength of filter medium is less unless it is made of stainless steel, like okay, our टी टी सीव, ओके, घरी जे काय आपण टी सीव मधून पास करतोय, लाईक दॅट स्टेनलेस स्टील सीव. Here in depth filtration mechanical strength of filter medium is high. Okay, mechanical strength of filter medium is high. In surface filtration, okay, it has a low capacity, and in depth filtration it has high capacity. The next is the size of particles retained is more predictable, and the size of particles is retained it is a less predictable. Okay, then last difference is the equipment is expensive because, okay, ancillary equipment such as edge clamps is required, and here the equipment is cheaper because ancillary equipment is not required. Okay, example is cellulose membrane filter. Okay, cellulose membrane filter, these membrane filters are too much costly filters which is used in the membrane filter. This membrane filter used in the purifier. Okay, and here the example is ceramic filters and sintered glass filters. These sintered glass filters are also used in the laboratory. Our college consists of this sintered glass filter. Okay, then this is the difference between the surface and depth filtration. So next point is, okay, theories of filtration. In that, here what theories, the theory of filtration, it consists of the flow of liquid through a filter flows the basic rules. Okay, here the rate of filtration, first of all we want to, okay, first of all we have to learn what is the rate of filtration. Example is आपण ओके फिल्टर करत असताना जर फिल्टर आउट करताना जे काही लिक्विड रिसिव्हरमध्ये येत असेल ते ड्रॉप वाईज येत असेल, स्मॉल ड्रॉपमध्ये येत असेल, आणि त्याला खूप टाईम लागत असेल त्या रिसिव्हर फिल करायला. ओके, आणि दुसरं जे काही फिल्टर आउट करत असेल आपण एखादं लिक्विड, तर ते करत असताना डायरेक्ट ते लिक्विड कंटिन्युअसली फ्लो करून पटकन ते जे काही रिसिव्हर आहे ते रिसिव्हर पटकन फिल होईल, पटकन ते भरेल. ओके, तर ह्या दोन जे काही फिल्ट्रेशन आहे त्याच्यामध्ये डिफरन्स कसा असणार आहे, तर जो काही रेट ऑफ फ्लो म्हणजे काय असेल तर ड्रॉप वाईज आहे, म्हणजे खूप वेळ लागणार आहे ते रिसिव्हर पूर्ण भरण्यासाठी, आणि दुसऱ्या फिल्ट्रेशनमध्ये काय असणार आहे तर कंटिन्युअसली फ्लो आहे. मग जे काही फिल्ट्रेशन असेल, ओके, जे काही व्हॉल्यूम आहे, तर रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन इट इज एक्सप्रेस्ड ॲज अ volume per unit time, means the rate of filtration is equal to, okay, or which is depends on the amount or volume of liquid, okay, per unit time किती वेळ लागतो. आता जे काही ड्रॉप वाईज आहे त्याला खूप वेळ लागणार फिल होण्यासाठी, आणि जे काही कंटिन्युअस फ्लो आहे ते पटकन फिल होईल. ओके, so in that case, okay, the amount of liquid or volume of liquid, okay, which is the rate of filtration is depends on the amount of or volume of liquid per unit time. Okay, per unit time. So here the rate of flow may be expressed as a rate is equal to driving force divided by a resistance. Here driving force divided by resistance. So here what is meant by driving force? This driving force is the pressure differential between upstream and downstream of the filter. Okay. Now what is meant by upstream pressure and downstream pressure? Okay. Okay, consider a bundle of capillaries. Okay, consider a bundle of capillary or a granule bed. Okay, after filtration. Okay, after filtration, consider consider a capillary bed. Okay, in that, okay, the upper side of this capillary consists of a upstream pressure, which is consist of a upstream pressure, and here at the bottom of this capillary, which is consist of a downstream pressure, and this downstream pressure exerted on the this downstream pressure exerted on the filter medium. Okay, and upstream pressure is exerted on that filter cake. Okay, which is called as a downstream pressure. So the resistance here, this resistance is not a constant, and it can be increased with increase in the deposition of solids on the filter medium. आता रेजिस्टन्स म्हणजे काय असेल? अपोज. जे काही फिल्टर केक आहे तो अपोज करणार आहे जे काही लिक्विड आहे ते फ्लो करण्यापासून, विच इज कॉल्ड ॲज अ रेजिस्टन्स. ओके, सो दिस रेजिस्टन्स इज नॉट अ कॉन्स्टंट बिकॉज जर डिपोजिशन ऑफ सॉलिड अगेन अँड अगेन इन्क्रीज होत असेल, अगेन अँड अगेन सॉलिड डिपॉझिट होत असेल तर ॲटोमॅटिकली रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन इट गेट डिक्रीजेस. So the filtration it is not a steady state because of the resistance is not a constant. Here the rate of flow will be greatest at the beginning of the filtration because the cake deposition is very low. So the resistance is minimum, but after formation of cake, okay, the resistance, okay, it get increases. Okay, म्हणजे जे काही केक आहे तो रेस्ट्रिक्ट करेल त्या लिक्विडला फ्लो करण्यासाठी. So once cake is formed, it is okay, it's act as a filter medium and the solids continuously deposit adding the thickness of the cake. So the resistance to flow is related to one factor, that is the resistance to movement. Okay, that is resistance to movement here. Okay, this diagram consists of a upstream pressure and downstream pressure. Okay, it is here this is the upstream pressure and here this is a downstream pressure. Okay, and this the bundle of capillaries. Okay, here this is a length. Okay, and here the viscosity or flow rate, that is meter cube per unit time. Okay, and this is a surface area. Okay, this is a surface area. So here the resistance to movement is equal to the upstream pressure minus downstream pressure divided by length of capillaries, divided by length of capillaries. So here, okay, this theories of filtration, okay, consist of three types of equations. Okay, which equations given by three scientists such as Poiseuille equation, then Darcy's equation, and third one is the Kozeny-Kármán equation. So we discuss these equations one by one. Okay, first is the Poiseuille equation. In that, okay, the Poiseuille scientists considered that the filtration is similar to the streamline flow of liquid under pressure through capillaries. Okay, it means that, okay, when we are doing the filtration, okay, when we doing the filtration, then the streamline flow means steady flow, straight line flow means, okay, consider एखादा पाईप आहे तर त्या पाईप मधून जर आपण वॉटर फ्लो केलं तर ते वॉटर कसं असणार आहे, एका स्ट्रेट लाईन मध्ये फ्लो होईल, स्ट्रीम लाईन मध्ये फ्लो होईल. ओके, आणि जे काही सपोज आता नदी आहे, नदीतलं लिक्विड स्ट्रेट लाईन मध्ये फ्लो होतं का? नाही. ओके, ते कसंही वाहतं, जसे की त्याला जशी डायरेक्शन असेल तसे ते वाहतं. बट जर पाईप मधलं लिक्विड असेल, इट इज फ्लो इन अ स्ट्रीम लाईन और स्ट्रेट लाईन. सो द फिल्ट्रेशन इज सिमिलर टू द स्ट्रीम लाईन फ्लो ऑफ लिक्विड अंडर प्रेशर थ्रू कॅपिलरीज. आता जे काही फिल्ट्रेशन होत असतं, फिल्ट्रेशन होत असताना जे काही कॅपिलरीज आहेत, केक फॉर्मेशन होते, जे काही सॉलिड आहे त्याच्यामधल्या कॅपिलरी ॲक्शन थ्रू लिक्विड फ्लो होऊन फिल्ट्रेशन होतं असं म्हणणं आहे पोझिओली इक्वेशन पोझिओली सायंटिस्ट. सो दिस पोझिओली गिव्स द इक्वेशन ऑन द the flow of liquid through this capillary. So it gives on that it gives a Poiseuille equation. So here V is equal to pi delta P r raised to 4 divided by 8L eta. 8L eta. So here where is V? V is the rate of flow. Rate of flow of liquid meter cube per second. Meter cube per second, and which is the volume of liquid flowing in per unit time. Per unit time. Then next is the delta P. So what is the delta P? Delta P is the pressure difference across the filter, which is calculated in a Pascal. Next is the radius. That is R. R represented by radius of the capillary in the filter bed. And which can be measured in meter. Then next is the L. L is the thickness of the filter cake. After the filtration. जो काही solid material deposit होतं filter medium वरती, which is called as a filter cake, and the thickness of the filter cake can be measured in a meter. Which is a length. Then next is the eta. Eta is the viscosity of the filtrate. जे काही liquid filter out होते त्याची viscosity कशी measure केली जाईल तर it is in a Pascal. And which can be denoted by this viscosity denoted by eta sign. Here if the cake is composed of bulky mass of particles and the liquid flows through the interstice, then flow of liquids through these may be expressed by this equation. And this equation it is expressed by Poiseuille equation. Then next one is the this is the Darcy equation. Here this is the Darcy equation. In that the Poiseuille law assumes that the capillaries found in the filter are highly irregular and not uniform. Highly irregular or not uniform. Therefore, if the length of capillary is taken as the thickness of bed and the correction factor for radius is applied so that the rate is closely approximately and simplified. आणि जे काही Poiseuille इक्वेशन आहे त्याचं करेक्शन करून डार्सी सायंटिस्टने इक्वेशन दिलं आहे की here V is equal to Ka delta P divided by eta L. And it removed 8 factors. It removes 8 factors and include a permeability coefficient of K. So here V is equal to so here K is equal to permeability coefficient of K, that is porosity. That is porosity or compressibility. Compressibility. Then next is the A. A is the surface area of porous bed. And here the surface area of porous bed, that is filter medium meter square. And the K value is depends on the characteristics of cake such as porosity, also specific surface area and compressibility. And compressibility, that is K. This is depends on the porosity, surface area, specific surface area and compressibility. Then next is the here. Next is the Kozinski-Karman equation. In that here the permeability may be defined as the quantitatively as the flow rate of a liquid of unit viscosity across a unit area of cake having unit thickness under a pressure gradient of unity. Then next point is the Kozinski-Karman equation. This scientist also gives a equation. In that the Poiseuille equation is made applicable to porous bed. And based on the capillary type of structure by including additional parameters. But the Kozinski-Karman equation, which is widely used for the filtration, and it is given it is gives a equation V is equal to A upon n square, okay, eta square, okay, into delta p kl into, okay, here epsilon, this is the epsilon cube divided by 1 minus epsilon bracket square, okay, where here epsilon it is a porosity of cake, S is the specific surface area of particles comprising the cake, meter square per meter cube, and K is the cosinic constant, usually taken as a 5, and next point is factors affecting, okay, rate of filtration. In that there are 8 factors which affect the rate of filtration, okay. Pauli equation, in that V is equal to, okay, we show that pressure, okay, also viscosity, radius, surface area, okay, thickness of cake, like that, okay. Here there are 8 types of factors which affect the rate of filtration. So first one is the pressure. In that the rate of filtration of liquid is directly proportional to the, okay, pressure difference between filter medium and filter cake. So the rate of filtration can be increased by applying pressure on the liquid being filtered, or by decreasing the pressure, okay, beneath the filter, okay, which is a, this is a first factor which affect the rate of filtration. In that the rate of filtration is, okay, directly proportional to the pressure difference between filter medium and filter cake, okay. Next one is the viscosity, okay. In that this viscosity, okay, the rate of filtration is inversely proportional to the viscosity of liquid undergoing filtration, okay, and these liquids which are very viscous get filtered slowly, okay. The liquids which are very viscous get filtered slowly in comparison to liquids with low viscosity. आता ऑब्वियसली जे काही लिक्विड आहे हायली विस्कस आहे ते फिल्टर आउट होण्यासाठी वेळच लागणार आहे, जे लिक्विडची विस्कोसिटी कमी आहे ते लवकर फिल्टर आउट होईल. सो द रिडक्शन ऑफ विस्कोसिटी ऑफ अ लिक्विड बाय रायझिंग द टेम्परेचर, ओके. जे काही एखाद्या लिक्विडची विस्कोसिटी खूप जास्त असेल आणि ते फिल्टर आउट होण्यासाठी वेळ लागत असेल, देन वी इन्क्रीज, ओके, वी कॅन इन्क्रीज देअर प्रेशर ऑफ लिक्विड अँड इट कॅन बी इझिली फिल्टर आउट, ओके. Example is syrups are more quickly filtered when hot than cold, okay. जे काही सिरप असतील ते सिरप जर हॉट कंडिशनमध्ये असेल तर ते इझिली फिल्टर आउट, क्विकली फिल्टर आउट होतील ॲज कम्पेअर टू कोल्ड syrup, okay. Next one is the surface area of filter media, okay. In that the rate of filtration is directly proportional to the surface area, okay, directly proportional to the surface area of the filter media. So here the filter paper, okay, any type of filter paper or, okay, any type of funnel which increases the effective surface area of filter paper, okay, for the filtration purpose. And also the filter press also works on the same principle. जे काही फिल्टर प्रेस इक्विपमेंट आहे आपण नेक्स्ट लेक्चरमध्ये पाहणार आहे ते फिल्टर प्रेस इक्विपमेंट. So this equipment works on the same principle. In that, okay, the rate of filtration is directly proportional to the surface area of the filter media, okay. जेवढा surface area जास्त असेल तेवढा rate of filtration पण जास्त असणार आहे, okay. Also next is the temperature of liquid to be filtered. In that the temperature plays an important role in the rate of filtration. How it is, ओके. आपण विस्कोसिटीमध्ये पाहिलं आहे, जर विस्कोसिटी कमी करायची असेल तर टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज करायला हवं, ओके. मीन्स विस्कोसिटी इज रिड्यूस्ड बाय रायझिंग टेम्परेचर. देन द फिल्ट्रेशन ऑफ विस्कस, ओके, विस्कस ऑइल, सिरप्स कॅन बी इझिली फिल्टर आउट इन अ हॉट कंडिशन, ओके. सो जे काही रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन आहे ते टेम्परेचरवर डिपेंड असणार आहे, कारण जर टेम्परेचर इन्क्रीज केलं तर रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन पण इन्क्रीज होतो, ओके. सो नेक्स्ट वन इज द here next point is the particle size. So the rate of filtration is directly proportional to the particle size of the solid, okay, which can be removed by the filtration. So in that, okay, it is easy to filter a liquid having coarse particles, okay, than having a finely divided particles, because coarse filtering media can be used to filter a liquid having coarse particles, and hence it increases the rate of filtration. It means that जर एखादं लिक्विड आहे त्याच्यामध्ये कोर्स पार्टिकल्स आहेत, खूप मोठे मोठे पार्टिकल्स आहेत, सॉलिड पार्टिकल्स, तर ते फिल्टर आउट करण्यासाठी आपण ॲटोमॅटिकली जे काही आपण फिल्टर मीडिया असा यूज करणार की त्याची पण साईज कशी असणार आहे, त्याची पोर्सची साईज पण मोठी असणार आहे. पोर्सची साईज मोठी असल्यावर ॲटोमॅटिकली मोठे जरी पार्टिकल असतील एखाद्या स्लरीमध्ये तरी पण रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन जास्तच असतो. ओके, सो देअरफॉर द फिल्ट्रेशन, so before filtration some method should be adopted to agglomerate the finely divided particles into coarse particles, or to increase the particle size by precipitation, So here next one is the pore size of filter media, in that the rate of filtration is directly proportional to the pore size of the filter media. Okay, here it is also directly proportional to the pore size of filter media. So in that the liquid having coarse particles, which is requires a coarse filtering media, okay, for removing purpose. So the rate of filtration is increases when a coarse filter media is used for the filtration. म्हणजे जर एखादं कोर्स पार्टिकल्स असतील तर त्याला कोर्स फिल्टरिंग मीडिया लागेल फॉर द फिल्ट्रेशन, चा रेट इन्क्रीज करण्यासाठी. ओके, then next one is the thickness of cake. Okay, thickness of cake, it is inversely proportional to the thickness of the filter cake, okay, which is formed during the filtration process. ज्यावेळेस आपण फिल्ट्रेशन करत असो ज्यावेळेस केक फॉर्म होईल, ओके, जर केक अगेन अँड अगेन केकचं डिपॉझिशन होत असेल तर रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन कमी होतो. ओके, विच इज इनवर्सली प्रोपोर्शनल. सो in that the filtration process proceeds, okay, this filtration process proceeds, the solid particles start depositing on the filter medium, and it is increases, okay, the thickness of cake and decreases the rate of filtration. म्हणजे जेवढं जास्त केक वाढेल, ओके, तेवढं रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन कमी होईल. ओके, जेवढी त्या केकची थिकनेस वाढेल, ओके, तेवढं रेट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन डिक्रीज होईल. ओके, देन लास्ट फॅक्टर इज द nature of solid material. In that the rate of filtration is directly proportional to the porosity of the filter cake. Filter cake. The porosity of the filter cake depends on the nature of the solid particles to be removed from the liquid. Porosity of the filter cake depends on the nature of solid particles to be removed from the filter, okay, to be removed from the liquid, any kind of liquid. So the filter aids are sometimes added to the filtering liquid to make a porous cake. आता ज्या कंडिशनमध्ये आपल्याला पोरस केक रिक्वायर्ड आहे, जो काही सॉलिड मटेरियल आहे तो पोरस नेचरचा हवा असेल तर त्याच्यामध्ये आपण एखादा फिल्टर एड ॲड करू शकतो बिफोर फिल्ट्रेशन, आणि ते फिल्टर एड काय करेल, जो काही सॉलिड केक डिपॉझिट होणार आहे त्याचं कन्वर्जन पोरस केकमध्ये करेल. ओके, सो हियर the rate of filtration, which is depends on the various factors, such as rate of filtration is equal to area of filter multiplied by pressure difference, means area of filter and pressure difference, which is directly proportional, and the inversely proportional it is the viscosity and the resistance of cake and filter. Inversely proportional to the viscosity and resistance of cake and filter. So the here the equation comes here, rate of filtration is equal to area into pressure divided by viscosity into resistance of cake and filter. This is all about the factors affecting rate of filtration. So next point is the filter media. Okay, here filter media. What is the filter media? Okay, or filter medium? It is a surface upon which solids are deposited in a filter, which is called as a filter medium. Means sieve, any cloth, any cotton, any filter paper, okay, which is called as a filter medium, ज्याच्यामधून आपण फिल्ट्रेशन करणार आहे, okay, which is called as a filter medium, and it having some properties, okay, for the ideal filter medium. आता ते कुठल्या प्रॉपर्टीज आहेत, it should be capable of delivering a clear filtrate at a suitable production rate. Obviously it okay, ते कसं असणार पाहिजे, इट इज अ डिलिव्हरिंग क्लिअर लिक्विड. ओके, त्याने क्लिअरच लिक्विड डिलिव्हर केलं पाहिजे. ऑल्सो इट शुड हॅव अ सफिशियंट मेकॅनिकल स्ट्रेंथ. ऑब्वियसली जर मेकॅनिकल स्ट्रेंथ प्रॉपर नसेल तर काय होणार आहे, जर एखादा फिल्टर पेपर असेल, आपल्याला एखादं स्ट्रॉंग लिक्विड फिल्टर आउट करायचं, तर तिथं एक पेपर लावून चालेल का? एक पेपर लावला तर तो पेपर लगेच कसं होईल, खराब होऊन जाईल, त्याचे छोटे छोटे तुकडे होतील. ओके, तर प्रॉपर फिल्ट्रेशन होणार नाही. तर एखादं कोरोसिव्ह लिक्विड फिल्टर आउट करायचं असेल, एखादा ॲसिड वगैरे असेल, ओके, एखादं असं मटेरियल आहे की त्याच्यामध्ये व्हेरियस टाइप्स ऑफ ॲसिड्स ॲड केले असतील, तर असं फिल्ट्रेशन करत असताना आपल्याला 3 ते 4 फिल्टर पेपर एकमेकांवरती ॲडजस्ट करून मग फिल्टर आउट केलं पाहिजे. ओके, सो जर म्हणजे जे काही फिल्टर आपण फिल्टर आउट करणार आहे तर त्याला प्रॉपर मेकॅनिकल स्ट्रेंथ असली पाहिजे. ओके, ऑल्सो इट शुड बी इनर्ट. ऑब्वियसली जर आपण एखाद्या फिल्टर पेपरमधून एखाद्या फिल्टर मीडियामधून फिल्ट्रेशन करत असो आणि जे एखादं मटेरियल ॲड केले तर ते मटेरियलचं, ओके, आणि जे काही फिल्टर मीडियाचं मटेरियल असेल, एखादं कॉटन असेल किंवा ग्लास, एखादं असं मटेरियल असेल की ते दोन्हीची रिॲक्शन झाली तर जो काही आपल्याला प्रोडक्ट येणार आहे, जो काही फिल्ट्रेट असणार आहे, तो कसा असणार आहे, कंटॅमिनेटेड असणार आहे. सो इट शुड बी इनर्ट, म्हणजे त्यानं कशासोबतही रिॲक्शन दाखवली नाही पाहिजे. ऑल्सो नेक्स्ट इज द इट शुड बी रिटेन द सॉलिड्स विदाउट प्लगिंग ॲट द स्टार्ट ऑफ फिल्ट्रेशन. ओके, त्यानं फिल्ट्रेशन स्टार्ट केल्याबरोबर जी काही प्लगिंग आहे ती प्लगिंग ऑकर नाही झाली पाहिजे. ओके, ऑल्सो हियर, ओके, इट शुड नॉट ॲब्सॉर्ब डिझॉल्व मटेरियल. ऑल्सो जर एखादं फिल्ट्रेशन करत असताना जर फिल्टर पेपरनीच त्याच्यातलं मटेरियल, त्याच्यातलं जे काही लिक्विड आहे ते ॲब्सॉर्ब करून घेतलं तर फिल्ट्रेट काय मिळणार ना, बरोबर आहे का? सो इट शुड नॉट बी absorb dissolved material. Also next is the sterile filtration imposes a special requirement since the pore size must be exceed the dimension of bacteria or spores. Okay, sterile filtration imposes a special requirement. Okay, जे काही एखादं फिल्ट्रेट असेल की ज्याला स्टेरिलिटी रिक्वायर्ड असेल, सो त्याच्यासाठी एक स्पेशल टाईपचे फिल्टर यूज केले जातील फॉर टू रिमुव्हिंग द बॅक्टेरिया आणि स्पोर्स. ओके, ऑल्सो ओके, एक तर ना इट शुड नॉट बी ॲब्सॉर्ब द कंटेंट्स, ओके, कंटेंट्स ऑफ द लिक्विड प्रिपरेशन अंडरगोइंग फिल्ट्रेशन. ऑल्सो इट शुड बी रेजिस्ट टू corrosive action of the liquid. Also it should have smooth surface for easy discharge of cake. Also it should allow the free flowing of liquid. Also it should be resistant to chemical reaction with the contents of the liquid to be filtered. And last one, it should have a sufficient mechanical strength. Okay, these all properties, okay, which are the ideal properties for the filter media. Okay, so the selection of filter media depends on 4 factors. Which factors? The size of particles to be filtered, okay, also the purpose of filter, also the amount of liquid, okay, amount of liquid or quantity of the material to be filtered, and also the nature of the product to be filtered, that is viscosity. Okay, this is the 4 factors, okay, for the selection of filter media. Then next is the here the filter media. कुठले कुठले असतील फिल्टर मीडिया? एक तर फिल्टर पेपर, कॉटन वूल, ओके, ऑल्सो द ग्लास वूल, asbestos, fine machine cloth, filter cloth, membrane filters, and sintered glass filters. Okay, this is the materials used as a filter media. So first one is the filter paper. Here this filter paper is most commonly used, used for the general filtration. The filter papers are classified as a coarse medium, fine mediums, fine according to their pore size, and the for the filtration of pharmaceutical preparations, here the fine grade of filter paper is most commonly used. जे काही फार्मास्युटिकल प्रिपरेशन्स आहेत ते फिल्टर आउट करण्यासाठी फाईन ग्रेड ऑफ फिल्टर पेपर इज मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज्ड. ओके, The main drawback of filter paper is that okay it has a absorbing property, and also it shades a fine particles into filtrate. It shades a fine particles into a filtrate. हे ड्रॉबॅक असतील ओके फिल्टर पेपरचे. Also here next is the okay nylon cloth or woven wire cloth. Nylon cloth, okay, it is superior to the okay it is superior than the cotton cloth. Also here it cannot be affected by molds, fungus and bacteria. Also okay it has a negligible absorption properties. Obviously nylon cloth आहे तर ते काहीही absorb करणार नाही, एखाद्या लिक्विड मधले लिक्विड ॲब्सॉर्ब करणार नाही. ओके इट इज एक्स्ट्रीमली स्ट्रॉंग ॲज कम्पेअर टू कॉटन. ओके इट इज एक्स्ट्रीमली स्ट्रॉंग ॲज कम्पेअर टू कॉटन क्लॉथ. ओके देन नेक्स्ट वन इज द वूवन वायर क्लॉथ. ओके इट इज मेड अप फ्रॉम द स्टेनलेस स्टील, इझिली क्लीन्ड. ऑब्वियसली जे काही घरी आपण चहा गाळणी यूज करतोय ती पण स्टेनलेस स्टीलची असते. इझिली क्लीन्ड, लॉंग लास्टिंग ओके अँड रेजिस्टंट टू द केमिकल्स. ओके जी काही केमिकल्स असतील तर ते फिल्टर आउट करण्यासाठी मग हे वूवन वायर क्लॉथ यूज केलेले असतात. ओके यूज केले जातात. नेक्स्ट वन इज द कॉटन वूल. Simple, okay, it is a cotton. Okay, it is most commonly used, but the small tuft of cotton wool placed in the neck of funnel. Okay, neck of funnel. फनेलच्या नेक वरती हे प्लेस केले जातात आणि सिंपल फिल्टर आउट फिल्ट्रेशन केले जातं. Also the glass wool. Okay, next one is the glass wool. Okay, this cotton wool, okay, it is generally used for the filtering of moderately coarse particles. And the disadvantage of this cotton wool is that it shades fine cotton hair in the filtrate. Okay, and this problem can be solved to increase a large extent by using cotton wool of long staple. Okay, and the wetting the cotton wool plug with a liquid before its use. Okay, before its use. Then next one is the glass wool. Here it consists of a fine fibers of glass which are resistant to corrosive liquids. So it is used for filtering corrosive liquids such as strong acids, alkalis, oxidizing agents. Example is solution of chromic acid and potassium permanganate. Solution of chromic acid and potassium permanganate हे फिल्टर आउट करण्यासाठी ग्लास वूलचा यूज केला जातो. So next one is the asbestos. Okay, it is used for the same purpose as a glass wool. Okay, it is also used for the filtering the corrosive liquids. Okay, also it is used for the also it is used in the gravimetric analysis for collecting fine precipitates which are to be subsequently ignited, which are subsequently ignited. Okay, also alkaloids may get absorbed and may contaminate the filtrate. These two drawbacks of this asbestos. Okay, so next one is the here membrane filter. Okay, membrane filter. This is a membrane filter, looks like this. Okay, these are very commonly used in the ultrafiltration method. Okay, these are made up from the cellulose acetate and cellulose derivatives, nylon, polyvinyl chloride. Okay, and these are mainly used to remove microorganisms and very fine particles from ophthalmic solution and parenteral products. Also here they rear very fine, having the very wide range of pore size from 8 micron to 0.22 micron, and it is most commonly used in the ophthalmic preparation and parenteral products. Next one is the here the pore size of membrane filter 0.2 pore size used for the all bacteria purpose. 0.45 micron size used for the all coliform from bacteria. Then 0.8 size for airborne particles. 1.2 size for all non-living particles considered dangerous in IV fluid, intravenous fluid. Next size is the 5, 5 micron, which is for the significant cell from body fluid, body fluid. Then what are the advantages of this membrane filter? Here bacteria are removed by sieving. Next one is the absorption of medicament is negligible. In every new operation a new disc is used. Then filtration is quite rapid, and don't liberate particles to the filtrate. Here next is the disadvantages of the membrane filter. Fine pores may get clogged easily, and it is suitable in certain organic solutions. Example is ketones and esters. And very brittle, it is very brittle when dry. So it can be easily break. These are the disadvantages of the membrane filter. Next one is the sintered glass filter. Here it consists of a Pyrex glass powder. And it is used for the filtering parenteral preparations. Also it is useful for the filtering the corrosive liquids and oxidizing agents. It don't shed the particles, and it doesn't absorb any liquids, and it can be easily washed. And it is made up from also the borosilicate glass. It is made up from the Pyrex glass or borosilicate glass. Here this glass is powdered and sifted to produce a uniform particles, and these are heated to sintered points and molded into a flat or convex प्लेट. आता ह्याचं प्रिपरेशन कसं केलं जाईल, तर जी काही ग्लास आहे त्याचं पावडरमध्ये कन्वर्जन केलं जाईल, आणि त्याचे जे काही पार्टिकल्स आहेत त्याला हीट करून मोल्ड करून एखाद्या फ्लॅट किंवा कॉन्वेक्स प्लेटमध्ये हॉट कंडिशनमध्ये स्टोअर केलं जाईल, आणि त्याच्या अकॉर्डिंगली त्याचं शेप क्रिएट होईल. विच इज यूज्ड फॉर द any which can be made, which can be prepared by any size or shape. And these filters are mainly used for the filtration of liquids, used for the parenteral use. Here other filters such as sand filters, here seeds filters,